Okay, hey guys, yes, I am back. I'm not reacting to anything. Just kidding, yes I am. As you can see, I'm reacting to something that's not on the iPad. It's going to be on a computer. The reason I'm not reacting it to on my iPad is because the thing I'm using as a camera is like on my iPad. And so my phone is usually the one that's recording. It just doesn't want to work out. It's being a little butt. So yeah, look at the light while I type in my password. I can't show you. Okay, I'm back. So, as I was saying, we are going to watch the video on this. Now the reason, no, I already told you the reason, but I am going to be able to react to videos very soon. Today is just not the day because obviously I cannot. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna react to a video on the laptop. So yeah. It's going to be a bad camera view. Yeah. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So, how have you guys been? You guys been good? I've been good. A lot of stuff. You might be wondering, what YouTuber are we going to be reacting to? We're going to be reacting to, I don't know if you guys heard of him. He's, can't remember the name. No, I know the name. It's just like, yeah, here it is. Demolition Ranch. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Demolition. I don't know. Okay. It's hard for me to pronounce. So, yeah, we are going to be watching him. And, we are going to be reacting to this video. It's, you guys have to watch it. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Because I'm not doing so well, you know, barely got 10 subscribers, only got 7 now. I'm just kidding, I'm doing awesome. So, yeah, hold on, let me just pull this up real quick. Okay, right there. We'll go right there. There, real quick. Sorry this is taking so long. Yeah.
Another beautiful day in Central Texas. It seems to be pretty cold and nasty out here. Listen, the clouds in about 3 seconds and it'll be.
Is it good?
You said that 4 hours ago. Seems like you're wrong again. Weather and art never wrong. The weather is wrong. Back to you. Okay, but when can I wear short sleeves again? In 5 seconds, there's a low pressure system that's moving in. It'll burn off all these clouds and it'll be 30 degrees warmer.
Hopefully I can see that.
Nope. Well, that wasn't my fault. There's a barometric system that's moving in and back to you. Welcome to Demolition Range. Just hanging out here. It's great weather. Loving it. First and foremost, I have something very cool I want to show you, but I want to do a little work for sponsors. It's actually a word for me. I was gonna do it now, but it's raining and I can't pull out my phone. So I'll see you guys in two seconds. I'm talking too much. This episode is sponsored by The Walking Dead: No Man's Land. It's the official mobile game of the AMC's The Walking Dead. Every Monday, new missions based on the previous TV episodes are released. It's a turn-based action strategy game where you can battle hordes of walkers with all of your favorite The Walking Dead heroes, like Daryl, Rick, and Michonne. Check the description below to download the game now for free, and you can unlock Negan, continue playing, and unlock all the best heroes, like Daryl, the boss Rick, Carl, and new to the game is Jerry, King Ezekiel's faithful bodyguard. Level up your heroes, fight the walkers, build and fortify your base, save the world. Bum, bum, bum. So I've been playing The Walking Dead: No Man's Land all week, and it got me thinking about these like zombie apocalypses and what if there are like walkers coming. So I've been like, doing scenarios as any grown man would do once they're playing games like that. And gun shop.
Awesome.
This is gonna be like the ultimate don't tell my wife, because like normally when I buy a gun without telling her, like I think of some way that I can convince her like that it was like there was some hole in our battle plan and this is gonna fill that. Not so much today. This one's gonna be hard to do, but that's what I'm gonna try to do with this video. I bought a cannon. Man, you bought a cannon? Yeah, it's a cannon. It is a tiny cannon. Look at this thing. So, pretty big bore there. Looking awesome. It's on a spring system, so it will recoil and not totally destroy the stand. This is a golf ball cannon. So the bore is just the right size to load a golf ball in. And so I was at the gun shop and I was just like staring at this thing and I was like, I wonder if there is a zombie apocalypse and all I have to defend myself against walkers is that golf ball cannon and some black powder and some golf balls, would it suffice? And so that's what we're here to find out today, folks. I've never fired a cannon, but we have this fuse to light, stick it in there, and it's what ignites the powder. I don't know how fast the fuse is gonna burn. I'm gonna light it in my hand. Hopefully this isn't a terrible idea. Okay, that's pretty slow. Kind of what I thought it would be. Okay, boom, cannon fires. So here's what we got going on. We have the cannon, which I'm gonna pour black powder down this barrel, and then I put a golf ball in the barrel, and then I put it back on the base here, and I put the fuse in that little hole right there, and I light it, and I run away. I guess let's just go for it. Two shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka.
Oh, wow. Okay. It's in. Oh, I'm nervous. But on the surface, I look calm and ready. Okay, yeah. Let's do this. In the game, when one of the heroes is coming up against one walker, it's no big deal. They get their knife or their bat, and they go take him down. When there's multiple, that's when you need better weapons, like a golf ball cannon. So over here, you'll notice we have multiple. We have Lieutenant Dan in the middle, surrounded by his 2 friends, all walkers. And our first test is just to see, can we hit them? Is this gun accurate enough to launch a golf ball at our walkers and make a critical strike? Not with a cannon. Breaking out a little bit. Starting going. Yes. So you guys couldn't see that, but it flew over, the golf ball hit one of these targets, I'm not sure which one, and then it flew back past my truck. There was too much smoke in between you and the target to see that, I think. I don't know where the golf ball went, but it launched on the other side of my vehicle. We know now that we can accurately shoot the golf ball launcher. Now the question is, does it have enough power to take down a walker? We got a pumpkin now. I aimed it to where I think it's on. Look at that. That's crazy looking. It's like the smoke is sitting down in the grass. Okay, we're about 3 feet high there. That's where the golf ball went through. So you guys probably seen the video where I used a golf ball launcher on an AR-15, a little attachment, and it shot him really hard. Like it would definitely hurt, but it definitely wouldn't put a hole through you. This thing may put a hole through you. Okay, I'm gonna try to actually hit that pumpkin. I'm gonna go down, aim it down a couple feet, see if we can nail it. I think that was a dud, because the golf ball's right here. It just flew down into the dirt. Try that again. This is it, boys. This is it. That's pretty cool looking. I mean, that's pretty neat. I do a lot of shooting, and
alright, guys. That is it for today.
Very impressive intro.
I know you want to see more, but the video is 13 minutes long, and my videos are already 11 minutes long. So if I put through the whole entire video, it's gonna be 20 something minutes long. I don't want it that long. So as you can see, you saw the pumpkin. Yeah. It's pretty cool stuff. So, as I wanted to say, I want you guys to support my channel because Andrew's not gonna be here until Saturday. If he comes Friday, it's gonna be pretty cool. He might not come Friday though. He might come Saturday. He wasn't in here for a couple of videos. So yeah. Oh wait, one more thing. I just remembered. You guys could send me fan mail. I'm not gonna tell you where I live. Well, I know you have to know where I live to send fan mail. That's gonna start a whole different week. Oh, next week. Probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now. Just so I can notify stuff. So yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video, which is going to be posted tomorrow. Not going to be able to post it today because it's late. It's 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, I think. Yep. I got school tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Can't see my hand. Why can't you see my hand? Why is that thing right here? What if it's right here? What the heck?